working on math, getting smarter and smarter every day, and I know you are too. We are working on our math problem solving for the day. Shopping for fruits and vegetables, yes. Make sure you have your sheet. There are 5 videos. If you need the other ones, go find the other ones. Let's get started by doing the first thing is write the standard. Now you don't have to write this whole thing. You don't have to write the whole thing. You can write the key words of the problem that we will be working on, okay? So let me read it to you. It says MGSE 5.NBT.7, add, subtract, multiply, and divide decimals. Where was I? Again, add, subtract, multiply, and divide decimals to the hundreds using concrete models or drawings and strategies based on place value, properties of operations, and or the relationship between addition and subtraction. Relate the strategy to a written method and explain the reasoning used. All right, again, you don't have to write the whole thing. You can write the keywords for what this problem will be talking about. Are you ready? All right. So the problem is, bam, write it down. Well, hold on. Before we look at the problem, look, do you know what that is? Kale. Oh my gosh, I love kale. What? Some of you haven't had kale? It's so good. So it is a dark leafy green with lots of vitamins, lots of nutrients, healthy for you. So many different things you can make with kale. You can eat it raw. What? You can eat it raw in a salad. You can also cook the kale. You can cook the kale. I love cooking kale. I'll cook some garlic and some onions, put some kale in there. I'll even add some mushrooms or carrots or whatever other vegetables and season it with some salt and pepper. That's good. You can even put it in a smoothie and have like a healthy green smoothie. What else can you do with kale? Oh my gosh, you know what else is good? Kale chips. Kale chips, so much better and so much healthier than regular chips that you buy at the store. You can make them on your own. Get the kale. I'll put some olive oil on there. I'll sprinkle some salt and even some garlic powder on that. Put it in the oven. Let it cook and crisp. Okay, don't burn it because sometimes it'll burn fast. Sometimes I made that accident. And then it gets crunchy. Eat them like chips. I eat the whole pan. So good. All right, down to the problem. It says a bundle of kale costs $1.98 each. How much does 3 bundles of kale cost? So you see how it's like wrapped up, tied up together. So a bundle like that, it says costs $1.98 for that bundle. How much does 3 bundles of kale cost? To solve that problem, let's use our cubes, clues. Or it could be Q's too. Cubes, clues. First step is the C step. Circle all the numbers. Check these steps off as you do them. The next step is the U step. Underline the keywords. The B step to box the question. The E step, eliminate unnecessary information. And the S step to solve and check. So as you do these steps in the cubes, clues, check them off, mark them off. Bam, right there. And do you need help? All right, so we are going to solve and check it. Do it in that box. Please don't cut your paper. Do not cut your paper. I just made it a little bit bigger so you can see it better, and I cut it so I can like show you bam, 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 the different sheets. So to solve and check, let's see. So imagine one of those is $1.98, and we need 3 of those. What operation you can do? What operation can you do? Did I just say that right? What operation can you do? There are 2 things you can do. You can either add $1.98, $1.98, $1.98. You can add that 3 times. Or you can multiply. It's the same thing as multiplying. So you could do 198 times 3. Don't forget about those decimals, okay? When you add, decimal goes bam, straight down. When you multiply, you count it bloop, bloop. You do it that way. Solve and check that. And actually, if you add it and multiply, that's like checking your answer by doing it 2 different ways. Then you can even get your calculator and write. I even checked it with the calculator. So many ways that you can solve and check that. Make sure you write it down in your solve and check box. And then when you're done with that, guess what? Write the solution. Write in a complete sentence. If kale costs $1.98 per bundle, 3 bundles cost blank. Now, You don't have to copy my sentence exactly, but this is a nice 5th grade fancy sentence. Make sure you write your own nice 5th grade fancy sentence. You can copy mine or come up with your own. Please don't write 1st grade sentences or kindergarten sentences. Don't just say, it is blank. Oh, that's not a good sentence. Write your sentence uppercase in the beginning of the sentence and punctuation appeared at the end. If Kale costs $1.98 per bundle, 3 bundles would cost blank. When you are done with that, you can write your I can statement. Bam, right there. I can. Use strategies to add, subtract, multiply, and divide decimals to the hundreds place. Now, if you didn't subtract in this problem or divide, you don't have to write those words down. You can just say, I can use strategies to add and multiply decimals to the hundreds place. Are you done with that? Now, if you need to pause this video, this tape for any reason because I'm going too fast, make sure you pause it or go back and listen to that. And we're done with this question. Make sure that, okay, there are 5. So if this is the first one, go find the other 4. If this is the last one, then you're done. Make sure you do everything on that sheet. Make sure everything is complete. Time for a lot of sprinkles. Yes, bam, bam, bam. Smarter sprinkles. Do better sprinkles. Love sprinkles for you. You can give me some sprinkles too. Remember to work hard and do your best every day and be awesome and amazing every day, all the time. Yes, so I will see you in the next video if you need to watch the next ones. See you.